This is the elevator, one of the other owners of the 330A apartment homes in Upper St. Clair, Pennsylvania. Another Schindler 330A. This one goes up and down on the main floor. Got a basement. Here we go down. Basement, I think, is like a parking area. This one doesn't have the black panels, the paint, the front. The basement has a black door though. Hit 3. Here we go. Here's 3. Creek. Cool. Back down to 1. It's a basic Schindler laminate cab. The brown cab is the same cab. I think all the elevators here have the exact same cab. I think all the elevators here are very similar. All 330As. I think there's like 9 of these here, but I'm only getting 2 of them. That's how it's my plan. Here, back at 1. Camera right above the elevators.